So here in Melbourne to kickstart the rebuild in WA. If you'd like to look at a little graph I've drawn, I can show you what's been happening in WA. So this is 2000. Eastern states were going gangbusters and everyone thought WA had missed. 04 we had our iron ore boom, and then 08 was the GFC. But WA didn't crash like the rest of the world. It actually just had a little lull and then a transition, and then we've had a boom which has been softened because of conditions globally and in the eastern states until 15, and then we've had a little correction. Now we're in 18 and things are starting to hot up in WA. So this is the rebuild, and this is what we're here to talk about today. There's the dream, here's the machine. Been brought up from a Tasmanian farm. This guy's a real card, wait till you meet him.